In this video, I'm going to show you how to play with friends in Minecraft Java Edition. So first of all, or the first method is simply using LAN or local network. So if you're using this same Wi-Fi, you can just go and launch a word, whatever you want. As an example, let's just say you can even launch your single player. And of course, let me just wait for the load, for the things until it loads. And here you can just go and click on Open LAN. As an example, you can choose the game mode and you can allow mods or no. And here you'll have to choose a port number. You can enter whatever port number you want. Then you can click on start line word. So, for example, let's just say you can choose this and click on start a new word. Now your friends can, as example, just go and click on multiplayer. And in here, they'll have to click on add a server. And basically, oh, never mind. You don't even have to click on add a server because if you are on the same network, as example, scanning for games on your local network, it should their server should appear right here. They can just go and click on it and enter the port that you choose, like port 2s, and click on join, and they will be able to join you. Of course, there are other methods as well if you want to do so. There are the free hosting options, example, that you can use. I don't know, Eternus, example, the most known one, or some officials like paid servers by Mojang, as an example. Or you can also do some self-hosted server example if you want to download the server jar file and configure it if you're good or like a heavy tech guy. So yeah, that's how you basically like play with your friends the Minecraft Java Edition. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.